So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I don't want to sell you on a course. I just want to give you guys the honest truth on how you can start making money online in 2021. I want to break down the no bullshit guide of making money online. There are so many different ways to start making money online. I've tried them. There are so many creators out there that are trying to push their course, whether it's dropshipping, affiliate marketing, selling on eBay, running an Amazon business. Guys, I want to share with you guys. I want to save your time because I've tried them all. I've spent money on courses. I'm going to break down the honest truth on how you can actually start making money online, what to do, what not to do, and more importantly, give you guys the truth about how long it takes to start succeeding and making money online in 2021. So jumping into this video, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and smash that subscription button. It truly goes a long way, as well as leave a thumbs up, leave a like, guys. It really helps me grow my channel. I want to grow together. So the first thing I want to talk about, guys, is my journey as an entrepreneur making money online. I've probably been like you. I went onto YouTube, I went on Google. How can I start making money online? How can I make money online so I don't have to go to college? How can I make money online so I don't have to go get a 9-to-5 job? How can I make money so I can basically say, hey, F you friends and family, I just made $10,000 dropshipping this month. What can I do? I've been down that road. I've tried them. I failed. I've even made money. So I just want to give you guys the honest truth. I spent money on courses. You might be thinking about, can I go out, make money fast today? But honestly, guys, making money online, you might not want to hear it, is the first truth. It takes a long time to acquire skills, learning how to run small things. Everyone makes it so easy on YouTube, guys, but the first thing about making money online, it is a slow, tedious process that it can't really be accelerated. You have to go through the path of going out there, learning these skills, and more importantly, trying and eventually failing or succeeding. But the first business I want to break down, guys, is about how you can make money online, and this is directly through affiliate marketing. In this video, guys, I want to break down 5 to 6 different businesses online and give you guys the honest truth. Now, me as an entrepreneur, I've started to make money with these. I'm going to share with you guys my experience, things that I wish I knew when I first tried to make money online. Now, the first business that I kind of researched and wanted to make money with is affiliate marketing. So what it does is basically you have to capture an audience, you sell someone else's product, you get an Amazon link, you put it in your description, you put it in your bio, and randomly people are going to click it. They're going to go shop on Amazon, or they're going to buy a stock, they're going to purchase this stock, and you're going to get a commission on it. So basically what you're doing is you're taking a product, you're promoting it, someone's going to buy this product, and you're going to get paid an affiliate commission. Now this sounds great. Some people say go to ClickFunnels, some people say go out there and post on TikTok, YouTube, build this whole YouTube channel, and you're going to start making $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month through affiliate marketing, but only if it was that easy. Now for me, I've made a few dollars, almost like $300-$400 through affiliate marketing, but I've spent countless hours, and you're going to have to spend countless hours if you want to make money affiliate marketing. The first thing you have to do is find an audience. People don't understand that in order to build an audience online, you have to produce some type of content. You have to capture this type of audience. Now what you say is, how can I do this? What you do, and content production is the #1 answer. So for me on my journey of making money through affiliate marketing, which I wish I knew at first, is that I need to spend hours every day, literally 2-3 hours posting YouTube videos, posting Instagram content, posting TikToks, trying to build an audience around a niche. Now, once you develop your niche, once you start getting eyeballs on your brand or who you are, then you can start promoting an affiliate link or start promoting some type of affiliate product. But guys, just jumping directly into affiliate marketing, people are going to sell you on a course on how you can make, $500 a day affiliate marketing. Well, that's all BS. The first thing that you must do in order to make money affiliate marketing is capturing an audience that will allow you to convert to make sales. So it takes time. There's a lot of back end stuff that people don't talk about. And on these courses, it's just like, hey, you're going to make money fast. So what you're going to do, affiliate marketing is a great way. So be mindful, put the work in now, and eventually when you build a content stream, once you build an audience, then you can start pushing products and services that will eventually happen. But it takes years, months, and days of posting content every day. Now, the second business I want to jump into is exactly what you're on right now, and this is YouTube business. Can you make money on YouTube? My experience making money on YouTube, and more importantly, the truth about making money on YouTube. Now, there are a lot of different models on how you can make money on YouTube. First, you can create your personal brand, which can get monetized. You can create videos of other people. You can post TikToks on YouTube Shorts and start making money, or you can build a brand or multiple pages that will allow you to build multiple revenue streams through these different channels. So a lot of different ways that you want to attack this. But guys, what I want to say is that people don't understand, if you're building a personal brand on YouTube, the amount of work it takes to actually start making money on YouTube. Now, you can be an excellent creator, you can be an all-star on camera, but you have to capture an audience somehow. You have to provide value, education, and some people say, go build passive income online. The first thing you want to do is go build a YouTube channel. But guys, it takes hours and hours and hours. It took me almost 3 years to get monetized on YouTube. Now, I've posted videos. I was trying to discover my niche. I didn't know what I wanted to post. I wasn't educated. I was skilled, but so many people told me, go out there, create this YouTube channel. You're going to start making money. You see creators on YouTube, Logan Paul making 10, 20, 30 million dollars on YouTube. We see all these people that have made it on YouTube, and we think that we can do it too. But honestly, guys, it's every day planning content, every day thinking about new ideas. Every day you have to fall in love with creating and being a creator on YouTube. If people understood how much effort, how much time it took to buy lights, to think about content, to go out there and read in comments, to build a YouTube channel, most people would never do it. And truthfully, this is why most people quit on YouTube, is because they post 3 to 5 to 10 videos, they will get 1 to 2 to 3 subscribers, and they will quit because they don't think you can make money on YouTube. Now, through this resilience and through the honesty of making money on YouTube, 3 to 5 videos every week, I've been able to build this model up and start making money passively on my YouTube channel. But guys, it has been a grind, and more importantly, it takes hours, 40, 50 hours a week if you want to start making money directly on YouTube. Now, the third business, to lighten this video up just a little bit, is a business that I truly love, and it is eBay and the Facebook Marketplace business model. Now, through my college journey, guys, I want to say that eBay has supported me. There were some months when I was making $2,000 to $3,000 selling on eBay. Also, right now is on Facebook Marketplace. I consider this a way to make money right now on Facebook Marketplace, and I think it's one of the biggest opportunities for anyone to start making money on Facebook Marketplace. But the truth is, it takes time as well. Now, when you want to make money on eBay, you have multiple different models. I'll share with you guys my model that helped me make around $2,000 to $3,000 every month as a college student, and a side hustle that I still implement in my life, and that is either the dropshipping model or buying and reselling on eBay. And what I want to touch on is that the reselling model, if you're doing it on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, is a truly advantageous place for you to begin making money. Because what people don't understand is that whether if you're on Facebook Marketplace or you're going to a thrift store to source products, that people do not understand the true value of valuable items. So what I did in college and what you can do and what I'm currently doing right now is buying these things at a discount, whether it's on the Facebook Marketplace free section, going to thrift stores, buying something for $3 and flipping it for $20, $30, $40. This is an opportunity for you to make money. But jumping into the truth, the no bullshit way that I'm talking about, is that it takes time. It takes messaging on Facebook Marketplace. People are going to waste your time. People are going to say, hey, can you meet me here? It's too far. You got to drive. You got to spend your gas money. This is the truth about making money on these platforms. Secondly, is that it takes research. There was times when I first started my eBay business when I was spending $20, $50, $60, $100 on items that were not making me any profit on my eBay store. So I failed at first. I tried to find a way or try to find my niche, and eventually through the failures, hundreds of dollars being lost, I eventually started to make money on eBay. I started selling men's and women's used clothing. I found my niche. I continued to just dive into it, do my research, do my homework, not going to the bars on the weekend, grinding on this eBay business, and I knew exactly when I could walk into a thrift store, I could buy something, I could go home, take pictures of it on eBay, post it, and flip it and make money. But this took time, this took research, this took money to get started, but more importantly, guys, I want to express that there is a huge opportunity to make money on Facebook Marketplace, a huge opportunity, guys. Take advantage of this. Free things, flip them on Facebook Marketplace. We're going into thrift stores and then reselling them on eBay. Guys, go out there. This is a great way that I believe that anyone can start their entrepreneurial journey making money online. Now, the fourth business model that I want to break down, guys, everyone sees this on Instagram. Everyone sees this on TikTok. Everyone sees their numbers of, hey, I made $10,000 in one day selling drop shipping products. Now, this is a business model I want to dive directly into. And I think this is a huge illusion in the online business marketplace. Everyone says, hey, what is the first online business going to make me rich? And everyone instantly goes to eBay dropshipping, Shopify dropshipping. But what I want to share with you guys is the truth behind this model. I've built stores, I've made a few sales, and I failed miserably. Now, I don't want to hold my success or my failure to hold you back from starting a drop shipping store, but there are some things that I really want to break down to give you guys a better understanding before you go out there and buy a drop shipping course. Is that you have to learn a lot of different skills when you're drop shipping. First thing you have to do is understand that you have to spend a lot of money. But what you have to consider is the marketing spend. In order for you to even make a sale drop shipping, you have to find a model to market that product. And what I didn't realize at first, and what you might not realize at first, is that it's more than just posting or taking a picture, putting on a meme page, putting it on Facebook, and making all these sales. You have to understand how to retarget. You have to understand how to create copy. You have to understand how to create a good picture. You have to understand how to create a converting store. There are so many different elements, and more importantly, what I want to stress is that in your first store, you can do all this homework, you can do all this research. It is not likely that you're going to be successful on this journey. I've started 2 stores, either of them failed, but now I feel more confident because I've learned more about these skills. But right now, what I want to say is that through the eBay or Shopify dropshipping model, yes, you can make money. Yes, people are making a lot of money. But more importantly, guys, they are probably trying to suck you into their funnel that will allow them to make money off of you. Most dropshippers are trying to get you to sell you a course so you can try this course, that you can make a little bit of money, that they can use your testimony, or more importantly, they just want to convert, make your money off of you, and then they don't care if you actually succeed. This is most of the e-commerce gurus out there. So please be careful when you start, buying or consider buying a Shopify dropshipping course. It is so much harder than people think. I wish people could take videos of them failing at first. I wish people could take videos and document the truth about spending hours, 8 to 10 hours every day, creating a store, finding a product, trying to create copy, failing, doing shipping, all this stuff. It is a lot that goes into it. It's more than just a metric, and we only see the good stuff. So be mindful of that. Next time you see a TikTok and Instagram, some type of post of people making all this money dropshipping on Shopify, eBay, Amazon, all that good stuff. Now, the 5th business of making money online is a fairly new business that I don't think a lot of creators are talking about, and this is making money on TikTok. Some of us see creators with tens of millions of followers. Some of us see people with Instagram pages, and more importantly, people that are just crushing it on social media, and they think they are making so much money. But in particular, I want to talk about making money on TikTok. Now, personally, for me, in 2021, this has been a new revenue stream in my life, and people ask me at first, why are you posting TikToks? Why are you trying to create or become a creator on TikTok? Now, at first, I realized my love for TikTok, but secondly, I didn't realize that you can actually start making money on this platform. So if you're trying to make money on TikTok, I'm gonna give you guys the honest, no BS truth on how you can do it, and more importantly, what you need to understand. The first thing you're gonna do is develop your niche, develop your product, develop something that you really enjoy. But what you must understand is the amount of content that you must produce in order to even get a sale, in order for you to even make money, in order for you to get followings on this TikTok page, for you to convert and eventually make money. It takes so much time. Now, there are creators on there that have 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 videos that have millions of followers. But what you understand is that an average creator that goes onto the TikTok platform is not making any money. Now, I've seen people say, hey, you can make so much money on the TikTok creator fund. That is absolutely false. People that have 100, 1,000 followers, or just people that are making videos that are going viral on TikTok, you think they're making money through the TikTok creator fund? Whether or not, I've made only around $1,200 on my TikTok account. I have over 50 million views total. So you would think that there would be a higher payout on TikTok. The truth is, it's not a great way to have a stable income making money directly through the TikTok creator fund. It's just not going to benefit you. The second way that you can truly make money on TikTok is through brand deals. This is the way that most creators are making money on TikTok. This is the way that I've made money directly through my TikTok account with only 325,000 subscribers on my TikTok account. I've had some great brand deals. So if you have to understand that it takes a long time to get here. This took posting 3, 4, 5 times every day. This took replying to comments. This took every day going on Instagram live, TikTok live. This took a lot of work. So if you're just thinking that you're going to create a TikTok page, you're going to send products, or you're going to post products on here, you're going to convert using an eBay or some type of dropshipping model, or you're going to go out there, get all these followers for shaking your butt or trying to build this brand on TikTok, and all these brands are going to reach out to you, I'm going to say, that is probably not going to happen. I've learned, I've put the work in, and only the TikTok marketplace is going to reward you if they enjoy your content. So be understanding that it takes time, guys. To this whole conclusion of making money online, guys, I want to leave you with this. Whether if it's TikTok, whether if it's affiliate marketing, whether it's going out building a YouTube channel, what's out there going eBay, dropshipping, Amazon, making all these different money online, guys, you have to understand it takes so much work. It takes grit. It takes treating these business models as real businesses. This is you putting 40, 50, 60 hours a week into these models. It's not just you opening your computer, looking up how can I make money doing this, taking a course and going out there and making all this money. This is how people are making money, selling courses. But more importantly, guys, you have to understand that it's going to take some time. It's going to be a slow process. It's going to be a grind. It's going to be a process of you continuing to learn. But more importantly, if you're eager, if you are hungry, and if you want to start making money online, you truly can. I began to make money using these processes. I've found different ways that work. I've tried, I've Googled, I've been through the process of trying to learn. These past 3 years is just me. How can I make money online? Trying every different model. I've seen what works. I've seen what failed me. And more importantly, guys, this video is just to give you the truth that you have to work. You have to get there. You have to learn. You have to continue to acquire these skills. And over time, they will compound, which will allow you to make money. But if you just think, hey, let's just start making money today, dropshipping. Let's just start making money today, affiliate marketing. Let's buy this course and my life is going to change. Guys, be realistic. It takes time for you to build success, for you to build money in your life. It should be hard. It should be easy. It would not be fair if everyone took one course and became a millionaire. What separates you from someone else is your ability to apply the skills, your ability to go out there and learn new skills, and more importantly, your ability to innovate and grind and work your ass off. Because for you guys to make money online, the no bullshit way, which I'm preaching right now, is it's going to be a grind. It's a lot harder than you think. So guys, thank you for following me on this journey. More importantly, if you need any help with anything, please hit me below. Leave a comment, subscribe to this channel if you have not yet. More importantly, I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments on how you can start making money on this journey. And more importantly, guys, is giving the truth on how you can make money on 2021 doing these online businesses. I love you guys so much. I'm grateful for our journey and time together. If you need anything, I am always here to help. Have a great day. Peace out.